If you have rooms you rarely use, have difficulty with mobility issues, or struggle to keep up with home maintenance, this video is for you. Whether you're experiencing an empty nest, retirement, or the loss of a loved one, leaving your family home can be emotionally and logistically challenging. It can bring up grief, anxiety, and disorientation. But the truth is, change can be beautiful, and it can lead to a happy and more comfortable life. And the good news is, you don't have to do it alone. The most stressful part of moving is the emotional weight of going through all your possessions, packing, and adjusting to a new environment. As a professional organizer and seniors real estate specialist, I'm here to make your transition smoother, safer, and even enjoyable. Whether you're downsizing to a low-maintenance space, relocating closer to family, or seeking vibrant senior communities, I'm here to support you. Here's how I can help. I'll help sell your current home, find a more suitable home that meets your current needs. We'll sort through your belongings together, preserve what matters most, distribute to family, and let go of the rest. I'll assist in organizing your new space, ensuring everything has its place, and making your home more accessible. And leave the moving logistics to me. From packing to coordinating with movers, let's work together for a fresh start, surrounded by what matters most. Don't go at it alone. Reach out to me for professional help. 760-472-3302.